Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more questions under the episode 3 marks important questions. Friends, this is the part 12. Previously we have uploaded 11 parts, and the 11 parts all are related with 3 marks questions. I request you to watch all these 11 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions are being asked for 3 marks and how to deal with such questions. Also, I request you to download PDF from the description box. Now let us see today's first question. So friends, here the given polynomial is nx square plus 4x plus 4. So from this quadratic polynomial we can find the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b upon a, and that is equal to what? B is 4, so it will be minus 4 upon a, that is n. And we can find the product of the roots also, that is alpha beta, that is equal to c upon a. So that will be c is a constant term 4 upon n. But it is given that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, and so but alpha square plus beta square, that is equal to 24. So here this alpha square plus beta square we can write as alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta, that is equal to 24. This we have got because we know the formula that a plus b bracket square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and if you take plus 2ab, if you take 2ab to this side it will become minus 2ab, and you will get a square plus b square is equal to into bracket a plus b bracket square minus 2ab. So we have applied this formula here. Now sum of the roots we know that it's minus 4 upon n, bracket square minus 2 into alpha beta, that is 4 upon n, which is equal to 24. Now we will solve this. So here we get minus 4 square will be 16 upon n square will be n square minus 4 to the 8 upon n, which is equal to 24. Now here n square will be the LCM throughout the equation, and so multiply by n square throughout the equation, so you will get it as 16 minus 8n, which is equal to 24n square. So if you write this in a standard formula, you will get it as 24n square. This will become plus, so plus 8n minus 16, that is equal to 0. Now 2 is a common factor, so divide by 2 throughout the equation. So it will be 8 will be the common factor. 8 3s are 24, 3n square plus n minus 8 to the 16, that is equal to 0. So we want product as 3 to the 6 minus 6 and the sum as the 1. Then we get the factors as 3n minus 2, 3n minus 2 and n plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now here if we solve this, you will get as 3n minus 2, that is equal to 0, or n plus 1, that is equal to 0. And so here n is equal to 2 by 3 and n is equal to minus 1. So we get the values of n as 2 by 3 and minus 1. Now let us move to the next question. So next question is that in the given figure BD is perpendicular to BC, DE is perpendicular to AB, and it is also given that AC is perpendicular to BC. We see here that BD and AC are perpendicular to the BC, and therefore we know that the perpendiculars on the same line will be always parallel, and so it is indirectly given that BD and AC are parallel lines. So we have to prove that BE upon DE is equal to AC upon BC. BE, this is BE, upon DE, this is DE, which is equal to AC upon BC. Now we will take these two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2, and we will show these two triangles are similar. So here in triangle BED and triangle CAB, angle BED, angle BED is equal to angle BCA, angle BED, this angle, and angle BCA, these two angles are 90 degree because it is given. Now again, since this BD and AC are parallel, BD is parallel to AC because perpendiculars on the same line. Perpendiculars on the same line. Therefore, these two are parallel. And since these two are parallel, this AB will be the transversal. And since AB will be the transversal, this will be the Z formation. And so this angle and this angle will also be equal. These two angles will be equal. And therefore, angle DBE, which is equal to angle BAC. Reason, alternate interior angles. So these two are the alternate interior angles, so that are equal, and therefore by A criteria these two triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle BED is similar to triangle ACB because of the AA rule. And since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. So BE and AC are the corresponding sides, so it will be BE upon AC, which is equal to DE, this is DE, and BC are corresponding sides, and therefore that are equal, so DE upon BC are equal. So these two ratios are equal because these two triangles are similar triangles. Now here you can take DE to this side and AC to this side, and so you will get it as BE upon DE, that is equal to AC upon BC, and hence it is proved. Now let us move to the next question. Question is that the weekly pocket money in rupees of 50 students is given below. Calculate the mode. Here in the table, the pocket money of 50 students is given, and you have to find the mode. So in the first column, the pocket money is given 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. So this is the class interval, and this is the frequency. This is the frequency 2, 8, 12, 14, 8 and 16, and we have to find the mode. To find the mode, what we do, we take the highest frequency. So what is the highest frequency? 14 is the highest frequency, and therefore the class corresponding to 14 is 70 to 80. Then this 70 to 80 will be the model class. So model class, that is equal to 70 to 80. Now since this is a model class, it means that the mode must lie from 0 to 80. Mode will lie from 70 to 80. So here the lowest term we require L. So the lowest will be lower limit is 70, so L is equal to 70. Then we require F1. then we require F0 and we require F2. So F1, F0 and F2 that we require, and so here 14 we take it as F1, this we take as F1, this we take as F0, and this frequency we take as F2, and we also require H, and H is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit, and that H is 10. So here F1 is what? It is 14, F0 is 12, and F2 is 8, and H is equal to 10. With this information we can find the mode. Mode is equal to mode, that is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Now just put the values and solve. So L is what? It is 70, plus this will be F1 minus F0, that is 14 minus 12, 14 minus 12 upon twice of F1, that is 28, minus F0 is 12, and minus F2, that is 8, multiplied by H is 10. Solve this. So which is equal to 70 plus 14 minus 12, that is 2. If you solve this, you will get in the denominator 8 multiplied by 10. So if you solve this, you get it as 70 plus 2.5, and therefore the mode is equal to 72.5. Of course, this is a pocket money and it is given in rupees, so you will have to write the unit also, that rupees 72.5. It means 70 rupees and 50 paise. So friends, here we will stop. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.